Hello everyone. Statement of the problem is if f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x plus 7, then find f of 0 plus f of 2. This sum is appeared in summer 2025 for 2 marks. So, solution for this, given that we have to rewrite the given equation as it is, hence f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x plus 7. Now, x we have to keep it in bracket and then again write the given equation as f of x is equal to into bracket x to the power 4 minus 2 times into bracket x plus 7 and consider this as equation 1. Now let us find f of 0 first. Hence to find f of 0, what we have to do? Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1. Hence equation number 1 becomes replacing x by 0. F of 0 is equal to into bracket 0 to the power 4 minus 2 into bracket 0 bracket close plus 7. And if we simplify this, first term becomes 0, second term becomes minus 2 into 0, that is 0 plus 7. And hence f of 0 is equal to 7. And consider this as equation number 2. Now we have to find out function of x is equal to 2, that is f of 2. Hence what we have to do? Replace x by 2 in equation number 1. Hence we can write replacing x by 2, f of 2 is equal to into bracket 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into bracket 2 bracket close plus 7. And now simplify this. 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 2 into 2 is 4 and plus 7, keep it as it is. Hence f of 2 can be written as 16 plus 7, 23 minus 4, 19, and consider this as equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 and equation number 3, we have obtained the values of f of 0 and f of 2, and we have to find out f of 0 plus f of 2. Hence, taking addition of equation 2 and equation 3, we have obtained f of 0 plus f of 2 is equal to 7 plus 19, which is equal to 26, and this is nothing but answer of given sum. Let us solve same type of next sum. Statement of this sum is if f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 7, then show that f of minus 1 is equal to 3 times f of 1, and this sum is appeared in winter 2024 for 2 marks. So to solve this sum, solution. First of all, what we have to do? We have to write the given equation as it is. Hence, f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 7. This is given equation. Now keep x in bracket and rewrite the equation. Hence, f of x is equal to 3 into bracket x its square minus 5 into bracket x plus 7, and consider this as equation number 1. Let us find f of 1. Hence, to find f of 1, we have to put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Means replace x by 1 and write the equation number 1. Hence, we can write f of 1 is equal to 3 into bracket 1 its square minus 5 into bracket 1 plus 7. Simplify this. 1 square is 1, hence 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 7. And this is equal to 3 minus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Hence, f of 1 is equal to 5. And consider this as equation number 2. Now let us find f of minus 1. So to find f of minus 1, replace x by minus 1 in equation number 1 and write the equation. Hence, f of minus 1 is equal to 3 into bracket minus 1 its square minus 5 into bracket minus 1 plus 7. Simplify this. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Hence, f of minus 1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 7. Simplify this. 3 into 1 is 3. 5 into 1 is 5. And 7 as it is. So taking addition of these three terms, 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15. Hence, f of minus 1 is equal to 15, and consider this as equation number 3. But we have to prove f of minus 1 is equal to 3 times f of 1. So, from equations 2 and 3, equation 2 gives right hand side 5 and equation 3 gives right hand side 15. 15 is greater than 5. Hence, 15 is equal to, we can write 3 into 5. But 5 is nothing but right hand side of equation 2. Hence, 15 is equal to 3 into f of 1. And 15 is nothing but f of minus 1. Hence, finally we can say f of minus 1 is equal to 3 times f of 1. And which is nothing but solution of this sum. This is the answer. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.